and Lindsay. Then it'll be Noah and Papa Woody, and then and then it'll be myself and Big Daddy. And then oh, you're out, right? Or you're in, you're out, or what? What are you gonna do? We're gonna throw you in. Okay.
Throw me in, whatever.
So, yeah, we'll
I'm
throw.
down with that.
Because I think we're odd now, right? How many people do we have? No? Yeah, race with the car around. Or do the chase video.
You got a GoPro for that car?
So I think we're at 8, right? If 9 with
Bro, my
me.
gimbal camera just taped it. Alright.
Send me the footage.
Okay, so if he's not going, then it's 8. Okay, so then we have all the channels covered. But 6 was still open for you anyways.
I couldn't change it.
Oh geez. Oh yeah, you can't change your OSD.
I don't know
Oh god, you're the tech at the shop.
It's too old.
Okay. Yeah. 3 points. So DNF, no matter what, if you lose, you still get points. So, and yeah, DNF, obviously if you crash out or something like that, the same stuff. About 4, about 3 or 4. So, especially when it gets going, like it starts going. So, and Reggie and Alan have the most experience with this stuff. So you guys are up first. We want to see the showstoppers first. Put those money makers up first. Let's go. Come on. That's right. We're shaking it up. This is what we want to see. We want to see the action happen here today. Sorry, I forgot to change the name on that one. That's Noah. Looks like Papa went down early, so he's just running it. He gets a track line after 13-3. Noah with the big one. We didn't change your name, Noah. Coming through fast. I heard a little love tap. Oh, takes the gate down. Coming through. Ooh, they ripped it. Oh, did pick up afterburner. Yeah, I gotta pick this thing up. Yeah, time really doesn't. Reggie's going to take it home here. Coming into the final step. First to 3 and R3. Pass off at 14. Good. And they're off. Here we go. Nice and smooth takeoff there. Shot out of the cannon. Nice smooth. Top is in the wood. Oh, stay up, Brian. Stay up. Oh, he recovered. Good job. Good job, Brian. That a kid. All right, Papa's still in it. First lap. Papa's in the house. That one did not sound good.
Free.
Papa's just running now. He's just running smooth. He finishes it. He gets the 5. Good thing too is we haven't seen, ever since we made the minus point rule of the gates, no one's really taken a gate down yet.
Justin Pesco with 22.5.
All right, good job, good job. Coming through. Which one?
Justin Pesco with 21.4. Justin Pesco. All pilots are finished.
The second one, right? The second gate here in the middle you're talking about, Noah? Yeah, that's where you have to come in. Oh, was he? I don't know.
Right here?
Yeah.
Are you thinking it like that?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I saw. All right, all right, all right. Hey, good. You know, it's good to call it out if you see something. Just like when I worked at Ralph's, corporate season. Okay, let's read the tone. Whoa.
One lap somehow.
And yes, I do answer phone calls from my mom during the middle of the race. All right, yeah, who was that? It was Clay? Clay won, all right. Who went down? Who was out there? LaVeva? Oh. Oh, no, okay, so that puts Clay